This is a Shark Tale
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.